The 2013
Porsche Boxster. With a 6-speed manual transmission with overdrive, this vehicle, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Porsche features dual front airbags, fog lights, and alloy wheels. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include air conditioning, power steering, and leather seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.